Have you ever wondered what the cross truly means? Not just as a symbol we see in churches or wear around our necks, but as a profound emblem of faith, hope, and love. In today's video, we're going to explore the deep symbolism of the cross and discover why it holds such a powerful place in the heart of every Christian. Stay with us as we dive into this meaningful journey and uncover the secrets of the cross that have inspired millions for centuries. The cross is more than just two intersecting lines. It is a symbol that carries the weight of the Christian faith. At its core, the cross represents the ultimate sacrifice of Jesus Christ, who laid down his life for the salvation of humanity. This act of love and selflessness is the foundation of our faith, reminding us that we are deeply loved and valued by God. But the cross also symbolizes hope. In the darkest moments of life, when we feel lost or overwhelmed, the cross stands as a beacon of hope, reminding us that God's love is stronger than any trial we face. Just as Christ overcame death through his resurrection, we too can overcome our struggles with his help. The cross teaches us that no matter how heavy our burdens may be, we are never alone. God is always with us, guiding and supporting us. Furthermore, the cross is a symbol of forgiveness. Through Christ's sacrifice, we are offered the gift of forgiveness, a chance to start anew. The cross encourages us to forgive others, just as we have been forgiven, and to live with grace and compassion in our hearts. It's a reminder that true strength lies not in holding on to anger or resentment, but in letting go and embracing the peace that comes with forgiveness. In addition to these meanings, the cross also represents victory. Christ's death on the cross was not the end, but a triumphant victory over sin and death. This victory is ours to claim as well. The cross inspires us to live boldly in our faith, knowing that we are more than conquerors through Christ. It urges us to stand firm in our beliefs, even in the face of adversity, and to live our lives with courage and conviction. Finally, the cross is a symbol of unity. It unites believers across the world, transcending cultures, languages, and backgrounds. When we look at the cross, we are reminded that we are part of a larger family, bound together by our shared faith in Christ. This sense of unity gives us strength, knowing that we are not walking this journey alone, but alongside countless others who share our faith and love for God. If this message of the cross has touched your heart, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue to spread the message of hope, love, and unity that the cross represents. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us, and may the cross continue to be a source of strength and inspiration in your life.